Hi everyone, Sabin here from InsureMO. In the part 1 of the customization series, we have seen how to make customizations to your products. In this part, we will see how your customizations are represented in the runtime environment. Runtime environment allows you to validate your custom product and visualize all components in real time. You can then run test policy data to generate rating of that product. Here is a summary of all the customizations that we made in part 1. Now, let's see each of these customizations in action using the runtime environment. In this demo, we will be comparing the runtime representation of the standard ISO product, which will be on the right-hand side of the screen, and the runtime representation of our customization that we made in part 1 will be on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's open the runtime environment for both of these products. So the first customization that was made in our custom product was the label change in the policy type field. Let's see how this is different compared to the standard product. We can see that the standard product has a policy type which is a plain text with no decorations on it. On the left-hand side, which is our custom product representation, is the policy type label with red color on it. The next customization that was made in part 1 was that we added a new risk, which is my new risk under policy. We then added 2 form pages under that risk, a summary form page and a details form page. Then we attached a new form field to each of these form pages. Let's see how that is represented in the runtime. We can see under policy detail, there is a new form page summary. When we add the form page, we can see the details page. Let's add some values to the form field that was added to the details page and switch back to the policy detail. We can see the policy detail form page in action. In the standard view, we would not be able to see the same form page since it is a standard view and we never added anything to the standard product. The next customization that was made to this product was deleting the risk. We deleted a business income detail risk. Let's see this in action. Let's start from the standard view. Let's go to policy detail, location, special class, and here we can see a special class business income. Let's do the same for the custom product. Let's go to location, special class. You can see the special class business income form page is no longer available in the standard in the runtime representation of our custom product. Another customization that was made to our custom product is adding a new row to fungus, wet rot, dry rot bacteria policy domain table. Let's see this in action. Navigate to policy detail, fungus, wet rot, dry rot bacteria coverage, where you will be able to see only 3 options in the standard view. Let's see how the custom product representation changed. Let's go to policy detail, fungus, wet rot, dry rot bacteria. Here you can see the new row that was added to the domain table is now available as a drop-down option in the fungus, wet rot, dry rot bacteria coverage form field. Now, Let's take a look at how the rating worksheet has been generated. Let's load a test policy data first. Go to samples. Here you can see that InsureMO has provided 2 test policy data samples for you. Let's select single location test and click on load test, which will then load the rating for you. Let's do the same for our standard product, test data, load test. At the moment, both of the ratings are similar. Now let's see how this rating can be changed with changes on the rate table. First, before we even jump into the rate table customization, let's take a look at how this rating worksheet has been generated. Let's open one of the rating worksheet. We will try to customize the rate table less than 80 PCT multiplicative factor and see how that change will affect the rating. Let's go back to our customization screen. Click on Business Spec, Rate Tables, search for the rating. Open the rate table. Let's change the factor to 3. Click on Done and save your changes. Let's validate our product again. Once validated, click on Try It Out. Let's load the same test policy data. Now you can see the rating has changed after the recent change that was made to the rate table. If we click on the rating worksheet, we will be able to see the new factor that we changed. And digging deep inside the worksheet, we will be able to see how this premium was generated. Thank you for watching.